Today we're showing how to remove the Brew from an Egro One. You're going to want to power off the machine and unplug it or shut the breaker off. If the screws on the side panel are tight, you're going to have to take those hoppers off and loosen. That'll help you get the cover off. This bolt also needs to be loosened in order to get the door open. Here we're using a pick to reach in and push on that little arm that helps that connector release from the board. It's not a good idea to remove these connectors by pulling on the cord, but here we're trying to keep our fingers out of the way so we can show you which connectors you're looking at to remove. And you can feed these cables and connectors through the side of the machine just one at a time. There's really only room for one at a time. And just loosen this bolt that holds this Brew plate in place. Slides over. Next is taking off this coffee ground chute. And you just loosen these two screws and should pull away from the brew group. And that gives you access to this little Teflon water line. And you just depress the release on that quick connect and pull on the line and it should come apart. There's one up here that's kind of difficult to get to. We've taken these covers off the machine just to show you where it's located, but you don't have to take the side and top covers off. It just helps us with lighting for filming and showing you where all these water lines and connections are. Now that you've got everything loose, you can pull that water line out, open this door, and lift up on this brew group, and it just slides off these little tabs, and then the whole thing should lift away from the machine. Just be careful of all the cables as you remove it.